trying to get you. Oh shit. Guys! 106! Quit Tristan! Quit talking! Right here, he fell back. He's falling back. I'm moving up to this island. Watch my back. Ah, God. 10 seconds! Surrender! 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 I hit you, Bailey! Yeah, I did! Damn battery. No, I hit Bailey, but he didn't call it. Last mag! Last mag. Huh? I know. Shit. Tristan, did he get hit? Tristan! Move over here! Dude, I'm hitting. Oh shit. Holy shit. He's moving up. Move over here to me. Go. Look. There's two right there. No. I ain't hit yet. There's Marcus. Should I run up there and attack or no?
I'm about to send all these ones.
Shit, they're close now. Is your battery going dead?
Look at that shit.
They're moving them up.
I know you round up for guy.
I know. Where's he at? I know. Are you hit?
Did you both of them?
Only one's hit.
Hey, get Bailey, get Bailey, get Bailey. Go there, one time like
I know. Preston, move up.
Are you videoing?
Preston, yeah. Come on. Billy, watch it, or Voodoo, to the right. Are you out for good? Voodoo, come here! Good deal, team, good work!
You already got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I was thinking about stopping to shoot another thing.